guys, finally testing out the new coilover install. So far it rides pretty smooth. Today I actually am going to be installing the HKS blow-off valve on the car as well. Right now I'm just kind of going for one last ride with it completely stock, just to kind of do a sound comparison and all that. As you guys can tell right now it's super quiet. Hopefully that'll change today. For being a stock car, this thing is pretty damn fun to drive. So I've never actually installed one of these before. Should be pretty straightforward from what I've seen online. Hopefully this video will at least help someone out there who's looking to do it on their car. Today is actually one of the last days I'll be able to drive this car legally as well because of the temporary plates until I get it fully legal, so I'm trying to take advantage of that. Tomorrow though, I do have a super fun install, so definitely check that out. Can't really hear the bypass valve at all right now, but hopefully this HKS is going to sound a hell of a lot better. Just got back to the house here. Gonna let it cool down for a little bit and then I'll get working on it. Quick little side note before we get started. I did actually end up keeping the BC Racing coilovers for the Miata as well. So both cars have those on it now. Pretty excited about that, but let's open this up and see what's inside. So this is an authentic HKS super sequential blow-off valve. I ordered this off of Right Hand Drive Japan. Now this kit is actually designed for the Aristo and it comes with the adapters and everything for the car. Have some instructions here, but they are in Japanese and most of it probably won't help, but some of the pictures might. So I believe this also came with the kit to do the recirculation if I want to. Not exactly sure. Have to figure out how it all fits, but it shouldn't be too hard. This is the actual blow-off valve itself. Super nice. Comes with this adapter for the 2J. Yeah, so this is it. Got the blow-off valve, got all the adapters and flanges and hoses and stuff. Got some instructions here. Guess I'm gonna bring this out there and see if I can figure it out. First things first, I'm going to remove the negative terminal, which is actually already pretty loose. Definitely gonna have to tighten that up better, but remove that just because we're messing with wiring and all that. That's actually the first step. From there, I need to remove the air intake pipe and basically remove this and this, go from there. Well, unfortunately my camera decided to delete all the footage of me actually installing it, but it went smooth, so enjoy these clips. So far so good. Car seems to be idling normal. anything crazy does happen, but check it out, see how it sounds. Now this car is automatic too, so obviously you're not going to get that sound every time you shift because you're not shifting, so it really only happens when you let off the gas, but still pretty cool. I'd love to manual swap this thing at some point if I end up keeping it, maybe a year or two from now. Definitely sounds a hell of a lot better. Pretty happy with it. I'd love to also do an exhaust on this thing soon. Not sure if I'm going to go custom or order something from Japan, but definitely want to unleash that 2J sound. I also really need to clean that engine bay out. The hands are pretty dirty. I'll get around to detailing that here soon. Just got home, everything went smooth. Really happy with the way that this turned out. Obviously I've never done anything like this before, so it was kind of nerve-wracking, but glad it went smooth. The car seems to be idling normal and everything. Definitely want to clean that engine bay out here soon and get the exhaust work going as well. But I think I'm going to end this video here. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. Subscribe for more. I think I have like 35 subscribers left until we hit the next giveaway, so that's going to be really cool. Yeah, I guess until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.